Have you been adding chia seeds to your breakfast every morning because you heard they are one of the healthiest superfoods in the world? What if the way you prepare them is actually harming your digestion instead of helping it? Many people over 50 sprinkle these tiny black seeds into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, believing they are boosting their heart health and energy levels. But according to experts and the wisdom of a renowned Japanese longevity doctor, most people are making several critical mistakes when soaking chia seeds. These mistakes can cause bloating, stomach discomfort, and even prevent your body from absorbing the powerful nutrients hidden inside these tiny seeds. The truth is that chia seeds contain incredible amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and minerals, but only when they are prepared correctly. In today's video, we will reveal 5 common soaking mistakes that nearly 90% of people make and show you the simple method that unlocks their full healing power. Welcome to LiveWell Insights. Today we reveal 5 critical mistakes you are making when soaking chia seeds, according to experts. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning simple habits that improve health after 50, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly wellness insights. An incredibly wise Japanese doctor shares profound knowledge on how to properly consume these tiny nutritional powerhouses for maximum benefits. Many people over 50 consume chia seeds daily, but fail to unlock their true potential due to simple preparation errors. If you currently eat chia seeds in your breakfast, comment below and tell us how you usually prepare them. These tiny black seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals that your aging body needs. However, preparing them incorrectly can actually harm your digestive system and completely destroy their wonderful nutritional value without you knowing. We will guide you through the exact scientific process to prepare them perfectly and protect your delicate stomach every time. And if you find this information helpful, please take a moment to like the video so more people can learn these important health tips. By fixing these common mistakes, you will experience better digestion, improved heart health, and a massive boost in daily energy. Let us dive deeply into the very first major mistake that almost 90% of people make every single day. The first critical error is not soaking the seeds at all, or simply soaking them for a very short time. Many individuals just sprinkle dry chia seeds directly onto their yogurt or oatmeal, thinking they will still get the benefits. When you consume dry chia seeds, they aggressively absorb water directly from your stomach lining and your delicate digestive tract. This rapid absorption process can lead to severe bloating, painful stomach cramps, and highly uncomfortable constipation for older adult patients. If you have ever experienced bloating after eating chia seeds, let us know in the comments so others can learn from your experience. Your digestive system struggles to process these hard seeds without the protective gel layer that forms during proper water soaking. To avoid this painful issue, you must soak your chia seeds in fresh water for at least 20 full minutes. Giving them 30 minutes is even better, allowing the seeds to expand fully and create a thick, soothing mucilage layer. This magical gel layer coats your stomach beautifully, acting as a gentle lubricant that promotes smooth and very healthy digestion. Watching the seeds transform from hard little grains into plump, gel-coated pearls is actually quite a fascinating scientific process. Remember that patience is absolutely key here. Rushing the preparation will only rob you of the amazing health benefits available. Your body will truly thank you for taking those extra few minutes to prepare your morning breakfast bowl completely properly. If you appreciate learning these simple but powerful health tricks, consider sharing this video with someone who loves healthy foods. Now that we understand the timing, we must discuss the second massive mistake, which involves the specific type of water. Using the wrong liquid temperature can completely ruin the delicate hydration process and prevent the seeds from releasing their nutrients. Many people use freezing cold water directly from the refrigerator, which violently shocks the seeds and stops the gel formation. Cold temperatures significantly slow down the natural hydration process, leaving the seeds hard in the middle and difficult to digest. Another huge mistake is using regular tap water that contains high levels of chlorine and other harsh chemical purifying agents. Chlorine can actually degrade the delicate outer shell of the seed and destroy the sensitive enzymes waiting to be activated. The Japanese doctor highly recommends using pure, filtered, warm water at a temperature around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius perfectly. Warm filtered water gently coaxes the seeds to open up, rapidly accelerating the gel formation without damaging any vital nutrients. This specific temperature range is absolutely critical for activating dormant enzymes and maximizing the release of healthy omega-3 fats. You will notice that warm water creates a much smoother, thicker, and more uniform gel texture in a shorter time. If this tip surprises you, tap the like button so we know you want more science-based nutrition advice. The difference in quality between cold tap water and warm filtered water is truly astonishing when you observe the results. Your digestive tract will absorb the precious omega-3 fatty acids much more efficiently when the seeds are prepared warmly. Always keep a reliable thermometer handy in your kitchen to ensure your water temperature is perfectly optimized for your seeds. Moving on to the third critical mistake, we find an important step that almost everyone completely ignores during their preparation. Skipping the washing step is a terrible habit because raw agricultural products often carry hidden dust and tiny dirt particles. Just like rice or quinoa, these tiny seeds travel through many dusty facilities before they finally reach your kitchen pantry. Consuming unwashed seeds means you might be ingesting microscopic impurities that can irritate your stomach and disrupt your natural digestion. To solve this problem, you need to use a very fine mesh strainer to gently rinse the dry seeds first. Hold the strainer under cool running water for just a few seconds to wash away any surface dust or debris. You must be quick during this washing process, as the seeds will begin absorbing moisture almost immediately upon initial contact. This simple rinsing technique ensures that your final chia gel will be incredibly clean, smooth, and perfectly safe to consume. A clean seed produces a much higher quality mucilage barrier, which translates to better nutrient absorption in your small intestine. Do not skip this vital hygiene step, especially if you have a sensitive stomach or a compromised immune system today. Once you start washing your seeds regularly, you will wonder how you ever consume them straight out of the package. If you know someone who eats chia seeds every day, share this video with them so they can avoid these mistakes. Now let us explore the fourth major mistake, which is perhaps the most common error seen in modern breakfast recipes. People love to soak their chia seeds directly in almond milk, coconut milk, or heavily sweetened fruit juices every morning. While this sounds delicious and convenient, it is actually a terrible way to hydrate the seeds for maximum health benefits. The natural fats present in milk create a thick, oily barrier around the dry seed, preventing water from entering inside. Similarly, the processed sugars in fruit juices block the delicate pores of the seed, stopping the essential hydration process completely. When you soak seeds in milk or juice, they remain partially dry inside, which can lead to severe stomach cramps. The correct and scientifically proven method is to always soak your seeds in pure warm water first, before adding anything. Allow the seeds to fully expand in the warm water for 20 minutes until they form a perfect, thick gel. Only after the water hydration process is completely finished should you mix in your favorite milk, yogurt, or sweet fruits. This two-step method guarantees that the seeds are fully digestible while still allowing you to enjoy your favorite flavors. You will notice that your chia puddings become much creamier and more satisfying when you follow this proper hydration sequence. Your body needs water to process fiber correctly, so giving the seeds water first prevents any unwanted digestive blockages later. If you are learning something new today, let us know in the comments with the word chia. Finally, we arrive at the fifth and perhaps most dangerous mistake regarding how you store your prepared chia seed gel. Many health-conscious individuals like to prepare a massive batch of soaked seeds to last them for the entire week. Unfortunately, fully hydrated chia seeds are incredibly fragile and highly susceptible to rapid spoilage and dangerous bacterial growth over time. Leaving soaked seeds at room temperature for even a few hours can cause harmful bacteria to multiply at alarming rates. Furthermore, the precious omega-3 fatty acids begin to oxidize and lose their nutritional value when exposed to open air. Consuming oxidized omega-3 fats can actually trigger inflammation in your body, completely reversing the health benefits you originally wanted. To store your soaked seeds safely, you must always use a high-quality, airtight glass container with a secure lid. Plastic containers can leach harmful chemicals into the gel, so glass is always the safest and most hygienic choice available. Immediately place the sealed glass jar into the coldest part of your refrigerator to halt any potential bacterial growth instantly. The Japanese doctor strongly advises that you should never keep soaked chia seeds in the fridge for over 2 days. After exactly 48 hours, the delicate fats begin breaking down, and the nutritional profile of the mixture degrades rapidly. It is much better to prepare smaller, fresh batches every single day to ensure you are getting maximum active nutrients. Freshness is absolutely paramount when dealing with activated seeds, as their living enzymes are highly sensitive to prolonged cold storage. If your stored chia gel ever develops a slightly sour smell or an unusual texture, you must discard it immediately. Never take risks with spoiled seeds, as food poisoning can be especially dangerous for older adults with weaker immune systems. By storing them properly in glass for just 2 days, you guarantee a safe, delicious, and highly nutritious daily supplement. Let us quickly review these 5 critical mistakes to ensure you are preparing your healthy breakfast perfectly every single morning. Number 1. Never eat them dry. Always soak your seeds for at least 20 to 30 minutes to prevent bloating. Number 2. Strictly avoid freezing cold tap water and use warm, filtered water to activate the enzymes in healthy fats. Number 3. Remember to wash the dry seeds quickly in a fine strainer to remove any hidden agricultural dust particles. Number 4. Never soak them directly in milk or juice. Hydrate with pure water first before adding your tasty flavors. And number 5. Always store the hydrated gel in an airtight glass jar and consume it within 48 hours. Integrating these tiny nutritional powerhouses into your daily diet can drastically improve your cardiovascular health and lower your blood pressure. The high fiber content works wonders for your digestive tract, gently sweeping away toxins and promoting regular, comfortable bowel movements. Furthermore, the plant-based protein provides sustained energy throughout the day, helping you stay active and vibrant in your 50s. The Japanese doctor who shared these secrets has studied longevity for decades, observing how simple habits create profound health transformations. He emphasizes that true health is not just about what you eat, but exactly how you prepare your daily food. Proper preparation honors the natural structure of the plant, allowing your body to absorb every single drop of vital nourishment. When you respect the ingredients and treat them with care, your body responds with increased vitality and robust immune function. Many of our viewers have already reported incredible improvements in their digestion simply by changing their daily chia soaking routine. One viewer mentioned that her chronic stomach pain completely vanished after she started using warm, filtered water instead of cold. Another gentleman noticed a significant drop in his cholesterol levels after ensuring his seeds were fully hydrated before eating them. These success stories prove that tiny adjustments in your kitchen can lead to massive victories for your overall daily health. We strongly encourage you to try this correct method tomorrow morning and feel the amazing difference in your own body. Share this vital information with your friends and family members who might be making these exact same dangerous preparation mistakes. Educating our loved ones about proper nutrition is the greatest gift we can offer them for a long, happy life. As we age, our digestive systems become more sensitive, requiring us to be much more mindful of our food preparation. Adopting these scientifically backed methods ensures that you are protecting your stomach while maximizing your daily intake of essential nutrients. The journey to optimal health is built upon small, consistent habits that support your body's natural healing and regenerative processes. Chia seeds are truly a magnificent gift from nature, provided we take the time to unlock their secrets completely properly. We hope this detailed guide has illuminated the science behind proper seed hydration and empowered you to make better choices. Remember that knowledge is power, especially when applied correctly to your daily dietary habits and your personal wellness journey today. Take control of your health by respecting the food you eat and preparing it with the utmost care and attention. Your golden years should be filled with boundless energy, vibrant health, and the complete absence of unnecessary digestive discomforts daily. By following the wisdom of Japan's oldest doctor, you are stepping onto a proven path toward longevity and lasting vitality. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn about these crucial preparation methods for your daily nutritional needs. We are deeply committed to bringing you the most accurate, scientifically proven health advice to improve your beautiful daily life. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful videos on longevity and wellness. We upload new educational content every single week to help you navigate the complex world of nutrition and healthy aging. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we will see you in the next amazing video right here on LiveWell Insights today.